That's not supposed to look like that. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just got done hooking up the trailer to our side by side here, and we're heading to our wood lot to get the fencing done. So what I'm looking for here is to smoothen off this little steep drop we have right here, because it's too steep to put a fence right now. So I'm going to take part of that right out, put it right here so it's more smooth going right down. There, that's a lot better. It's a lot more smooth now, not just a sheer drop right off. Putting up some wire. So now we're back down here at the farm. I just brought the weight truck up here and be loading some telephone poles to put in those holes we dug for fence post. Well, he just blew a tire on the summer tractor. Now I just go get another tractor. Then he's gonna cut these logs up right here and load them onto the truck here. I just got done touching up that pole we just put in. While I was doing that, my dad's putting a cement block up here because we were trying to dig a pole up here, but we kept running into ledge. So I put a cement block to hook the line to that to make it out and around. I don't think the cows will be able to move that. So I just got done digging a hole here for another post, and did run into some ledge, but it's deep enough that it won't bother any bit. So right now I'm out here by the nice sunset, and the camera doesn't really pick it up. I'm out here by the nice sunset waiting for my dad to come back with a four-wheeler. And yeah, I think the cows will like this field. There's winter rye in it. Good tall, thick stuff that they like. Hey guys, so back out here digging some more holes, some more fence posts, doing some more fencing. So I just got done digging this hole, and I got 2 more to dig. Over there I got one on the post, or that post over there. Got another one on the other side of my backhoe. And yeah, so here's the footage of me digging this hole. And again, I hit some ledge, but it's deep enough so I don't think the pole will move or anything like that. Basically, this whole pasture right here is nothing but ledge. You can find a few spots that'll go pretty deep, but there's always ledge on this property. Now I'm just waiting for Dad to get back with some more poles, and then we'll be putting in 2 more poles here, filling the one over there, and then putting the fence up through here. Put the poles in and let the cows in.